I'm looking for something that's turned out to be a rarity in 2025. I'm looking for the rare South Western Railway Class 701 Arterio train. The South Western Railway's Class 701 Arterio trains, ordered in 2017 and initially scheduled for service in 2019, have faced significant delays, with the first train carrying passengers between London Waterloo and Windsor and Eton Riverside in January 2024, 5 years behind schedule. South Western Railway ordered 60 10-car and 35-car trains at a cost of £895 million. They were to replace these 455 units which were introduced in 1987. The reasons for delays have been attributed to various issues, including software faults, problems with the coupling process, faulty windscreen wipers and cab doors that were difficult to open. The rollout has been gradual, with only a few trains in regular service each day, operating on the suburban network. South Western Railway was planning to introduce more trains into the service as driver training got underway. There seems to be another problem. South Western Railway do not have enough drivers to take off regular services for training purposes. These 455 units are a bit like me, getting long in the tooth and ready for the scrap heap. They run as 8-car units, but are often reduced to 4 due to breakdowns. The interiors and seats are often very worn. But wait, can this be a rare 701 Arterio on the way? I think it is.
Calling at Wimbledon, Clapham Junction, Vauxhall and London Waterloo. This train has 10 carriages.
Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo.
I quite like these 701s with their 2 abreast seating and toilets, and you can walk all the way through. At Clapham Junction there are quite a few of these new trains languishing on the sidings, hopefully coming into service soon. Thank you for watching. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.